So I'm 34 weeks today. I'm kidding, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how I turned into pregnant Wanda from WandaVision, keep on watching. So starting off with hydrating my lips first, I'm using the Smith's lip balm, and this is the eucalyptus and menthol one, and I love this one because it's so minty. And I'm also applying some Neutrogena Norwegian hand cream to my hands because my hands are terribly dry at the moment. I've tried millions of hand creams and this is the only one that has worked, so I really recommend this one. I love it. And after that, I'm applying my favorite face primer, the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And after that, I'm applying my Bobbi Brown foundation, which is a Skin Longwear Weightless foundation in the shade Warm Beige. And I picked this foundation because it gives you like a very nice light and natural look. And I could have edited this part out, but because I'm going to be chewing in the following clip applying my foundation, I wanted you guys to know what I was eating. And I gotta say, oh my god, I love this Kind Bar. I think this one's like my new favorite Kind Bar that I've had. Plus this is also like a pregnancy type of video, so I figured why not? This could be one of her cravings. And next I'm just highlighting my face using the Kosas concealer in the shade 04N, and I'm really loving this concealer. I mean, I like the packaging, but I really love the applicator too, and the product as well. After I'm done blending that in, I'm actually gonna contour my face using the KKW Beauty, and this is her medium contour stick. I'm honestly not really a contour type of person. I find it to be like unnecessary, but after I did it and after I saw like my face at the end of this video, I was like, oh damn, like my cheeks look sharper. And like I was like, perfect, like that was exactly what I was going for, because in WandaVision her cheeks just look so like sharp and like pretty. So I'm really glad I did this because I feel like it helped me capture her look more. And I also forgot to mention I did use the darkest shade of this stick, so I think it's the number 2. And now adding my dry ingredients, I'm going to apply my favorite Kat Von D translucent powder, but only to the parts that I highlighted with my concealer. And for a nice clean eye base, I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I'm just going to apply that using a fluffy brush. And now obviously grabbing the 70s palette from the WandaVision and Ulta Beauty collection, I'm picking up the color Illusion, which is a white pearlescent shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. At first I kind of regretted doing this step because I thought it was too shiny, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep going, because either way I really did want to just stick to this palette because it is the 70s palette, so I wanted to use this palette as much as I could. Here I grabbed the color Sparkle, and it is like a red brownish shimmery shade, and with a very stiff and sturdy blending brush I'm going to carve out my eye socket with it, so almost above the crease, because I want to create that 60s 70s look that she has in WandaVision. After that, I'm taking a break from the eyes and I'm going to brush off my translucent powder, and then going to the blush palette. I'm going to be grabbing the color Spell, which is a pink peachy shade. And if you can see by the way I'm grabbing my brush, I'm just lightly tapping it into the product because I don't want to apply too much, because I still want to keep the eyes looking kind of light, because she just has like a peachy glow on her eyelids. So I want this makeup to keep looking as light as possible. And just sweeping it across my lid, I'm not going to apply it all the way down because I still want to keep that kind of light area above my lash line. For blush, I'm going to be using that same shade and apply it to my cheeks, but then I noticed it kind of left like a little patchy mark on my face, which is fine. I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty blender. And I almost forgot to apply some face powder. Today I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix in 40WY. Next, picking up the bronzer and highlight palette, I'm going to be using the color Stellar, which is the lightest of the two contouring shades, and I'm going to be applying that to the areas where I had previously applied the contour stick. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm going to be using this creamy black Persona eyeliner pencil, which is also 24-hour wear and waterproof. For falsies today, I didn't want a dramatic lash, so I'm keeping it kind of on the natural side, and I went with the Ardell Demi Wispies. For mascara, I'm going to be using my favorite waterproof mascara, and this is by Lancome, the Monsieur Big one. For brow gel, I'm using the One Size Brow Kiki in the shade Auburn, and I recommend this to anyone that's a redhead or to anyone that just dyes their hair red, because look how well it covers my dark brown eyebrows. For highlighter, I'm going back to the highlighter palette and I'm using the golden shade, and this one is called Timeless. Last but not least, for the lips, I'm going to be using this Frost lipstick by MAC, and this is in the shade called Skew. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying the pink lip gloss from the WandaVision and Ulta Beauty collection. And here is a completed look with the costume and the boots on. I got this costume from Amazon, and I will have the link to it in the description box below, along with the boots from Target. I did like the dress, but I do feel like it's too see-through. Like, even in the comments on Amazon, people were complaining that it was too sheer, and I was like, well, yeah, it's too sheer, but I feel like it looks better than the rest of the dresses that they had on there, and I kind of regret it, not gonna lie. And you can tell how sheer it is by looking at the sleeves right here. But I do feel if you wear like a skin-colored skirt or some shorts, you'll be okay. But I did wear shorts, and it looks like I'm not wearing anything underneath. But anyways, enough complaining. So here I'm showing you the side zipper of the dress. And yes, for my baby bump, I used a giant pillow which I securely strapped with 2 belts. But if you're not pregnant and you want to cosplay as pregnant Wanda, I recommend you buy a fake pregnant belly from Amazon because it'll be way more comfortable than this. And for jewelry, I'm wearing some gold hoop earrings and a gold ring on my wedding finger, which I also got at Forever 21. Wait a minute, do you guys hear that? I think someone's at the door. And here I am reenacting that part of the 70s episode when she's stressing out by having Monica over at her house. And I apologize, guys, I'm so sorry. I know my camera is blurry, but at the moment I didn't know. So, the struggles of filming by yourself, am I right? Also, shout out to this vase for not breaking on me. Don't tell my mom, guys. And I have a serious question for you guys. Do you guys know what Wanda is eating in this part of the episode? Like, I tried Googling it. I know that sounds so stupidly lame, but I just have to know. It looks so good. Like, to me, it honestly looks like either orange slices or some type of dried fruit. And here, obviously, I had to recreate the meme. Also, can I just say I'm loving how my hair looks in this video. I purposely grew it out for the video, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It took me forever to straighten it, but it was so totally worth it. Look at my 2 new beautiful babies, my Billy and Tommy. Have you ever seen such beautiful babies? I don't think so. And that concludes this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I had so much fun making it, but having the pillow on your stomach is so annoying. I don't know how you guys do it when you're pregnant. Like, my respects to you. I was out of breath for some reason, and kneeling down was the worst thing ever. Anyways, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Ow! Oh my god! Damn it! No pueden chingarnos las dos juntas. Oh, a ver. Párate. Ninel, párate. Ninel.